Hello, and welcome to the introduction to angles, narrated by Lana Zaid. In terms of angles, we need to understand what kind of line we are dealing with. First, we have a line segment that ends in 2 points, as you can see from the line AB. Next, we have a ray, where it starts from nothing and doesn't end. As you can see, there is a dot near point A and going in an endless direction. Next, we have a line. The line is endless, and as you can see, the arrows are pointing away from each other. The arrows indicate that they don't stop. Next, we will learn how to write the lines and how to say it. So with this line, you say line segment AB. And you write it with capital letters and a line right over them. As you can see, we have the ray, and you call it ray AB. You write it with capital letters and an arrow pointing in one direction, as you see here. Here we have line EF, and you call it line EF. In terms of writing it down, you write the capital letters and then a line going in opposite directions right above it. The step-by-step process of how to look at angles. Once you point to the same vertex, you can determine what angles they are. In fact, the vertices is what establishes your angle. From this image here, you see B and F. They are both intersecting with two other lines, and those lines help create the angles. Examples of angles with the vertex of B are shown like so. B, right here, angles, you can make DBC, ABD, CBD, DBA. It can vary. Those are some of the examples with the vertex of B. With the vertex of F, there's HFG, GFH, EFH, HFE. It's all repetitive, and it does depend on where lines intersect to create angles. The vertices are B and F, and you know because, backing up. But the vertices are B and F, and you know because that is where the lines meet and intersect. Moving on. Common angles. We have a 90-degree angle, which is a right angle, an obtuse angle, which is greater than 90 but smaller than 180. So 90, as you can see, it would have just gone straight up, but it passes 90, but does not entirely hit 180. Right here we have an acute angle, which, as you can see, is 45 degrees, and as an acute angle, it can, which is below 90 but greater than 0. So that's why 45 falls right in between 0 and 90. And lastly, we have a straight line, which is 180 degrees. Although these are very important angles, there are other angles and lines such as 360, which I haven't included in this slide. Thank you, and I hope you enjoyed and understand a little bit more about angles.